Michigan City Robotics Team is a part of the Safe Harbor program. We started it about 5 years ago. Our lead coach is the Project Lead the Way engineering teacher at Michigan City High School, and it really can take what they're learning during day school and they can apply it in a very fun way to build robots that compete against one another.
What we do is we do quite a few community events, but also at the same time we build a robot in 6 weeks to go to compete against other robots in the state. And there are right now about 50 teams in the state. And currently right now at the end of our season we're ranked 16th in the state. So what they're doing right now is they're working on practice robots and practice mechanisms. And then we'll refine those until that last week, and then we'll place them on the competition robot, do some final test and analysis before we actually give it the green light to say, okay, this can make it in a competition.
The kids get to use the knowledge that they've gained and different things that they learn through robotics that they maybe didn't get a chance to really learn during the school day, and it just makes them stronger.
I was always interested in science, but there wasn't a lot of things where I could just join. I am in science club, but we only meet like every so often. This is like every day and you're getting immersed in science, you're learning more things. We have 3D printers, you get exposed to different technologies and you learn a lot. And I really like that.
A lot of like clubs and stuff like that, they'll teach you, I guess like some stuff, but this really does teach you how to use tools, how to create things, going through like the engineering process, working as a team.
As an engineering technology teacher, I really strive to bring science, mathematics, and technology, along with the engineering piece, to students and make it relevant for them. But at the same time, you're really limited by that 50-minute class period. And so here, what I can do with students is I could say, okay, you guys want to work on a t-shirt launcher, let's make a t-shirt launcher. And let's learn a little bit about the physics behind kinematics and where the actual landing point's going to be. And that's not something I could traditionally hit in the classroom. And so that's a really meaningful thing for me as an educator.
It's the opportunity to expose the young people to practical problem solving, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, all together. Like when we were laying out the robot, where I showed them how to use the tape measure and measure diagonals, and you're like, oh God, I learned that in geometry. Well, you're actually using it. I mean, you're applying it. So yeah, it's real world rules always apply. And I'll be honest with you, it's amazing to see the things that they come up with and their solutions. And I find myself having to step back and let them be the ones that design and build.
I think it's probably like one of the best opportunities for any high school student. Being on the team has definitely not only grown me in my knowledge of technical ability, but also it's grown me as a person.